Move, rotate, and scale gizmos. First of all, I like the name Gizmos. That's pretty cool. But a gizmo is really kind of like a grip tool that we can use to do basic editing, such as move, rotate, and scale. Now, these are basically a 3D move, 3D rotate, and a 3D scale, which beats the regular move, rotate, and scale commands. So when I pick on an object, okay, when I pick on an object, I get this gizmo that'll show up. Now, this one happens to be my scale gizmo. But if I right-click on the gizmo, I pick on the gizmo. If I right-click on the gizmo, I can go to the move gizmo, and here's the move gizmo. When I right-click on that, I can go to the rotate gizmo. So depending on which one I want to go to, I just right-click and pick the one I want. I'm going to start with move. Now in the move, I get the three colors representing the three axes. Now if I want to go in the green, I highlight the green axes until the green arrow shows up. I pick with my left mouse button and I slide it over and I pick. So I just highlight the green axes button, I slide it over, I pick. I want to go to the green, I highlight the green axes, I pick with my left mouse button, I slide it over, I pick. I highlight it, pick, slide it over. I can say I want to go 40 units, and I can slide things over. I can highlight the blue, the Z. I can go up, say 10 units, and I can go up 10 units, for example. This is a very handy, easy way to move things. I use these exclusively, essentially, in editing. Also, I can pick on it, I can right-click, and I go to rotate. Now rotate has the three same colors. So when I hover over the blue, for example, it changes the gold. I pick on it, it'll ask me for my rotation angle. And it's rotating among the Z right now. And I can just eyeball it, or I can key in a number such as 45. So I can pick on any angle I want. I can say go over my green, which is I'm spinning about the Y. I pick on that green and pick and say specify the rotation angle. I'll say I want it 30. Okay? And I can pick on it. I can go to my red one, it'll turn gold. I can spin that and say I want it 10 degrees. And so I can rotate this thing anything I want dynamically. I can click on the item and I can right click and go to scale. In the scale, I can scale this item by grabbing onto it, any one of the endpoints, and I can set a scale factor. I can say I want it to be twice as big. I can pick on any one of these things and set it. Doesn't really matter which one I want. I can say I want it 0.75 and it'll be smaller. So I can pick on, and anytime I want to get rid of the gizmos, I hit escape and the gizmo goes away. So I pick on it, the last gizmo will show up, whichever one I used. I can right click and go to whatever one I like. I use the move actually the most, and then probably rotate the second. So gizmos allow us to do a 3D move, rotate, and scale.